So I was working in the backyard and my wife came out and said, "I'm sorry, I just backed into your truck. Please don't be mad." So I looked it over, just as I'm showing you all right now, thinking, where's the damage? Way down here on the tow hook, I saw a little bit of paint from her forward edge. It's Kona Blue Metallic. The way she was saying sorry, I thought she damaged something. But my Toyota is fine. Now, let's look at her forward edge. Oh man. You can see where the tow hook hit the bumper, and look at how caved in the hatch door is. Okay, she had to leave right then, so I couldn't keep filming. It's been a while, and the paint has been flicking off the bumper from the flex of the impact. It looks even worse now. And look from the side and see how pushed in the hatch door actually is. I think that was thanks to the custom steel tubes I have in my truck under the front bumper. On second thought, I'm looking at the size of the damaged area, and there was definitely some impact from the front bumper toward the top. Yeah, her car is filthy. There's actually a pretty sharp crease right here. Can you believe my Toyota did that? They just don't make them like they used to. Okay, I should mention that I never park behind her except for that day. And she had kids in the back, excited for a car ride. Also, her backup camera takes a while to come on sometimes, so she didn't see my bright red lifted truck when she was backing out of the garage. I wasn't mad at her, so please be nice to her in the comments. So I called my insurance agent and told him what happened. Ironically, he said any damage to my truck would be covered under the homeowner's policy since it was parked on the property, and there'd be no deductible. Because the edge was being driven, it's covered under our auto insurance policy, which has a $750 deductible. He ran some numbers and said that the insurance rate would go up $300 a year for the next 3 years if I was to make this claim. That's $1,650 out of my pocket. So we agreed the phone call never happened, and I started searching for a used hatch and bumper. I found both for $350, but they're silver, so I'll have some how-to paint videos coming up on the channel real soon. I've showed touch-up aerosols before, but this time I'm going to use professional urethane base coat with a 2K clear. In the end, we'll see how much I saved by doing this repair myself in my garage. So stay tuned, and thank goodness for lifted trucks and steel bumpers. Thanks for watching.